Has it ever happened that you opened your phone for something important, and a few minutes later, you totally forgot why you picked it up? You're not alone. This is part of a new digital age pattern many people experience, something I like to call digital energy drop. Today we'll break it down in the simplest real-life way. We live in a time where focus feels rare. Our digital routine quietly changes how we use our energy, think, decide, and regulate ourselves. A skill known in psychology as self-regulation. But here's the good news. Our mind has flexibility. This ability is called neuroplasticity, and it allows you to rebuild attention and clarity anytime. A digital energy drop happens when the mind gets tired from constant information, nonstop notifications, and endless scrolling. It affects three psychology functions. Cognitive load, mental processing pressure. Your mind receives too many tiny signals. Every swipe and tap uses mental power. Attention switching, jumping between apps keeps your mind in alert mode. This creates what experts call attention drift. Reward loop, every notification activates a small reward response, making you check your phone even without purpose. How it shows up in daily life, you may notice. Work gets delayed, mind feels scattered, you zone out during conversations, overthinking at bedtime, mood shifts quickly, focus breaks in seconds, you check your phone without any real reason. These signs usually appear when your mind is dealing with a digital energy drop. Psychology behind it, safe terms only. Neuroadaptation. The mind adapts to repetitive behavior. Rapid scrolling trains the mind to expect fast stimulation. Cognitive slowdown. Mental energy slowly reduces after long digital exposure. Sensory flooding, too much information comes in at once, and the mind doesn't know what to prioritize. Behavioral conditioning, your phone becomes a signal. Your hand moves toward it automatically. Signs of digital energy drop, all wording safe and positive. Forgetting small tasks. Light distraction. Delaying work, procrastination. Losing attention quickly. Feeling mentally on auto mode. Checking your phone again and again. These signs show your executive functions need a small reset. Easy psychology-based solutions. 1 to 90-second reset rule. Pause for 90 seconds when your mind feels scattered. It calms your internal system and boosts clarity. Digital boundaries, use your phone with intention, not out of habit. Energy refresh, break every hour, spend 2 minutes away from screens. Instant mental relief. Single tasking, focus on one task at a time. This strengthens your attention span. Environment reset, change your spot, open a window, increase light. This refreshes your sensory system. Small physical movements, a quick stretch boosts your cognitive energy. The problem isn't using your phone. The real issue is letting your phone take control of your attention. A digital energy drop is simply your mind's way of saying, tell me in the comments what topics you want next. And if you ever need personal guidance, I'm here. Take care, and choose your mind before your phone chooses for you.